Hey, we're here at Sport in Gordonsville. We're at the CDOC storage facility here. Kind of a lot of neat stuff here. We're talking about this 2009 GT3 Cup, which has just become available. Fantastic car. It was prepped for the 24 season, used in the 4 or 5 HSR races. Got fresh seat belts. And check out our full video for more information on this one. Looking around the shop, they got a pair of 993 C4, C2Ss, one in black and one in this awesome gray color. Looks like a 964 Carrera Cup car here. This is neat. In the back here, old Jag XK120. This is a race car. It's a John May special, so it's looks like it's got registration for the street, but it's also got a full cage, and that's a big 3.8 Jag XK120 John May special. Pretty neat. Got a pair of Rolls Royce here and a Bentley here. There wasn't a green one. Oh, here it is over here. The Turbo S. I knew there was a pair of these big Bentleys here. This is a Turbo S, one of 23, pretty special. This is one of a very rare, about 70 or 75 of the Sedanca SC Bentley. Pretty neat cars from the 90s. Looks like there's a Ferrari 275 GTS. You may have seen this. We displayed this car at Moda, Miami this past year. Pretty neat, 275 GTS and a Grigio color over black red, pretty neat. Lamborghini Espada. This is going to be coming to market soon, and keep an eye out for video on that. And we're going to be introducing that car to the market shortly. Aston Martin 1960 DB4. It's pretty neat with the no bumper overriders and the frameless windows. Must be a really early one. Series 1 DB4 1960. Pretty cool. This is a restored 71 Land Rover 2A, manual shift, custom interior in the Harris Tweed with the leather. Pretty cool. It's got a Marshall speaker in it. All sorts of other cool little details. Look at these door panels from that side here. You can kind of take a look how cool that is and all the detail on that. Pretty neat. Looks like there's a P130 Land Rover here. This is a diesel. This is like a 97 or 98, kind of a new one, all restored. Ferrari 512 BB, pretty neat. This one here is kind of driving like a tube frame car on the street. Pretty neat. When you open the engine bay, it's like all just tubes back there. Pretty wild. This is a carbureted 1981 512 BB. 356 twin grill roadster. This has been freshly restored by our friends up at Auto Associates. Healy in the back, we've talked about the Volvo project coming along, putting Haltech on this Volvo. Red block motor here, pretty neat. We love the Volvo 242s. This is a GT, been restored, and getting a red block twin cam hyper modified motor going into the car. I don't know what all this space is for. I guess a radiator and stuff, but there's a lot of room left in there. Maybe it needs a V8 or something. This is a 740 Turbo. This is pretty neat. Another Volvo freak. Lamborghini Countach with a fuel tank leak. Got to repair that. And a couple of projects waiting in the wings over here to the right. So thanks for checking in. Give us a call if you have any questions. Be sure to DM. Give us a call. See ya.